So here is Heaven Bible app, Bible chat app. Quite popular app to study the Bible. Isn't just an app, it's your personal guide to draw closer to God and discover unshakable peace with handpicked daily verses, thoughtful devotionals, and heartfelt prayers right in your pocket. Every moment becomes an opportunity to grow in faith. Tap to explore the Bible, dive into rich verse citation, ask Heaven anything. So that's basically the idea. I need to say probably this is the same company who built like another app, just like Dean Buddy, which are very similar apps. I tried one, I tried another, and these are a lot of like kind of copy paste apps, but this one is quite good. And unfortunately, there is no free version of it. There is only like 7-day free trial and then $7 per week, so quite expensive. I don't know whether there is a yearly version, but here it is. Here is a premium version, so I upgraded for a free trial to show you. So here's how it looks like. You have your daily verse, which you can see it. You can use it as a widget, and you can also just tap the button and interpret it. And that's the idea. Then you can delete your chats, you can chat with it later, and then you have unlimited chats if you're in paid version. So that's the idea. And then you have all of these questions in here, all these topics and categories which you can ask. Then you can just go and read Bible in different versions, different chapters, select it, try to interpret, change color, highlight it. So that's the idea of the app. So something like that. And then you have your account in top. You can edit your information, you can change Bible version, you can delete your account. And that's basically the idea of it. So as you can see, that's where it is. So yeah, there you have it. So again, this is a paid version. It has 4.9 average rating out of 5. I don't know whether this is completely legit. All these reviews. Again, there is no free version. And then yeah, it's $7 per week. So this is, I'm showing you what you're getting when you're on a free trial. Free trial is 7 days, or if you paying for it. It's quite expensive, yo. So can read some critical. $7 a week. So yeah. Anyhow, so this is the app.